Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to use CPALEAD. So as you can see here, we are in the CPALEAD website, and CPALEAD essentially allows you to earn commission based on people installing Android and iOS application. So if we quickly go down here, as you can see here, to start earning, you can become an affiliate marketer. So essentially you want to advertise different Android and iOS apps for people to install, and once that they start installing, that is when you start earning commission. You can also have mobile developers, say for example, to skip ads or to add ads, you need to do some form of action, which is to install something or to run through an application. Then you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and create an account for CPALEAD. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up here, and then if you already have an account, just go ahead and click login. But if you haven't, then let's just click on sign up right here. And then once that you have signed up, you can go right on ahead and add in your information below, or you could go ahead and sign up via Google. So I'm just going to click on this, and then let's go ahead and sign in via Google. And once that it has loaded, we are already in the dashboard itself. So as you can see here on the very left hand side, we have all of our navigations. So we have the dashboard, payment statistics, and all of the others. And if you take a look on the top right, we have our affiliate number as well as our account information as well. So the first thing first is at the very top. This is where we can start seeing some statistics. So we have, the commissions that we have earned today, yesterday, the month to date, so the current month, and of all time. So that's the overall of how much you have earned. And if you look all the way down here, here are all of the products that you can start advertising in. So just go ahead and go through each one. Again, do take note that these do refresh every 24 hours, and just go right on ahead and look through it. So if you take a look on the top left first, as you can see here, we are in the dashboard page. If you click on payments here, of course, you can start seeing in terms of the different payment information that you have. So what is your current balance? Again, at set at $0. Add in your payment methods here if you want. So this can be PayPal, Pioneer, check by mail, or your ACH, which is USA based only. You can go ahead and join a team if there are more of you guys or you're in a group, and then you can start seeing some payment history and alternative fund payments right here at the bottom. And now if we go ahead and take a look at the statistics, you can see all of the statistics right here. So you can really start to gauge in terms of who is clicking on your links and who is actually installing and downloading all of this. So you can go ahead and do that by the day, by an hour, by country, and different commissions, referral commissions as well. Now if we take a look at the offer wall right here, so let's click on create offer wall. Now if you recall earlier on, if you are a web developer or an app developer, and you want some form of call to action from the players themselves, so adding adverts or something like that, or even if you want your clients to start gaining some extra points or extra rewards, here are a few things that they can go ahead and do. This is what you would usually see. So you can go ahead and select the kind of theme that you want. So let's choose this theme right here, and you can go ahead and add the offer wall name, page header itself, app wall instruction text. So you're pretty much editing what you can see here at the top, and then go ahead and set up the point system in here. So for example, for every $1 USD you've earned, your user will earn 100 points. So this is what you would typically do when you want to create some form of advertisement or some sort of marketing inside your Android or iOS application. Now you can go ahead and do the same thing if you know a bit of coding and know how to use APIs. You can go ahead and take a look at them through here. So say for example, you have something within your website and then you want to add all different offers. You can go ahead and access them through this API. But what I'm going to be doing is, let's go back into the dashboard and let's go all the way down and start taking a look at some offers that we can do. So if you take a look at this, we have the offer names right here. We have the type of devices that we're going to use. So this can be an iOS or an Android. And the type of offer that we are giving. So this can be a CPI or a CPE or even, or a survey. Just go right on ahead and explore through each of these. And then if you take a look, we also have the countries in here as well. Now we also have a cap right here. So the cap itself is a daily cap. So if 100% of the cap has been used, then the offer will no longer be available. And then you can go ahead and see the payouts as well in here. So per application install, then this is the amount that you'll be earning. So let's go ahead and take a look at all of this. So you can see, we have some information if it's a fast pay, if it's a burst, if it's an offer wall only. You can go ahead and explore through each of this. Now, say for example that we want to take a look at, this offer right here, which is Amazon Music. Let's go ahead and click on this. Now, this is what the offer would look like. As you can see here, you can see the CPA payout right here. You can see the type itself. So it's a mobile Android. What is the status? It is currently active and no one has yet, clicked on the link or completed the offer itself. And then of course, do take a look at the country itself, where it is. Now you can go ahead and see the preview link right here. And then you can see that this is your part. So this is the affiliate link that you need to be sending out to others. And then, once that they go through your offer URL, then you can start earning commission. However, do take note that these are one of the things that is targeted towards. So if we quickly go through all of this, this link, affiliate link, only works for people within Mexico itself. And then the device that they're using is Android. The converts itself is the part where it actually gets converted as a payout. So this is what they need to be able to do, which is, so they need to get the app, open it, and play a first stream. And this is only targeted towards new users only. So as you can see here, your traffic should use the app after installing, and the average user session time is equal to your traffic quality. Do take note as well that VPN and proxy traffic is not allowed. This is quite common for those offers. So make sure, all of this matches your target audience. So say for example that, you feel that you have friends, you have people, you have a community that ticks all of the boxes of the requirements here, then that's when you will start to get your payouts. And then as you can see, you can start, to take a look at the offer history itself. So this has been newly added about 2 days ago. And then, if there are new things, you can go ahead and see this is what it looks like. And then again, if you want to go ahead and preview it, just go ahead and click on this. And as you can see here, we are in the Google Play Store. And this is the link that they will see. So once that they've gone ahead and click install here, and then gone ahead and used it, then that's when you will start earning your commission. Now, sharing or, sending out your affiliate links is entirely up to you. So say for example, if you are a Twitch streamer and you feel like this is, the kind of game or application that you're using. So say for example, here is Amazon Music. Go ahead and start advertising all of this. And then once that, again, they meet all of your target rules, then you can go ahead and start earning. So if this particular offer is not relevant for you, then just go right on ahead and keep searching through all of this. And again, go ahead and filter through everything. So say for example that you're quite limited to the country that you have, go right ahead and just scroll through all of this, or you can go ahead and click on view filters, and of course you can start to adjust all of this. So say for example, the country that you want to take a look at is in Germany. The type of offer that you want is, it's a mobile itself. The type of device is, all devices or an iOS. Say for example, let's go for iOS itself. And then as you can see, it starts to really bring down everything and filter everything out. So these are all of the things that are connected to what I have mentioned. So yeah, go right on ahead and explore through all of this. Then once that you've started sharing all of your links and people are going through all of your targeting rules, and you're getting your payouts, go right on ahead and see, take a look at the statistics that you have. And again, you will start to see everything in here as well. And one more thing that you can do is, if you take a look at this, you will get a gift as well. So if we click on this, as you can see here, it is a scratch ticket. So scratch your daily ticket and earn prizes anywhere from 1% to 10% earning for the next 24 hours. So as you can see here, if, say for example, you feel like you can earn quite a lot in terms of a offer that you have found, and you have your target audience, if you go ahead and click on scratch ticket right here, you can get a bonus. So as you can see here, you've won, I've won an extra 1% for the next 24 hours. So as you can see, within our payout itself, we will get an extra 1% every time that we are getting a payout. And there you go. So go ahead and explore CPALEAD and have fun with all of your affiliates and marketing strategies. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.